This is a quick little video. I want to let you guys know about YouTubers that I think are amazing and I want to share with you guys. So there's some YouTubers that are bigger YouTubers and some that are smaller YouTubers, and a lot of them, actually all of them, I watch every day. I have the bell. I immediately watch them if I'm home from work. I absolutely love these people, so I want you to check them out and maybe you'll love them too. So my first person that I absolutely love, I've mentioned her before, is Ella. Ella lifts bacon. She's beautiful, she's funny as hell, and she will make you laugh, and she knows a lot about keto, and you will not be disappointed in her channel. I am telling you, you will not be. And I'm going to link everybody down below, so go click on their little links, open them in a new tab, hit subscribe, let them know that Keto Mama sent them, or you, to them. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, Ella. I love Ella. She's, seriously, you guys are gonna love her. Next person on the list, Keto Homestead. How are you not already subscribed to Keto Homestead? Keto Homestead makes the best freaking foods, okay? She's duplicated Rayo's pasta sauce. She's freaking made 0 carb noodles. She has made breads and Cheez-Its, and I watch her videos all the time. I don't know how she does it. They're so professional. It's like a BuzzFeed video for keto food. I'm telling you, you need, and you gotta follow her on Instagram too. I mean, she can go to Sprouts and Whole Foods and all these places and get like a billion things for like $2. I don't know. The girl's insane. She's amazing. You need to check her out. So Nerdy Bry Guy, he's into video games. He does weekly updates, and you go check him out. He's really fun. His wife is also on a journey, and she's getting tired of eating egg roll in a bowl. Go give him some recipe ideas. Next person that you want to check out is Chef Wannabe's Life. So she does all kinds of things. She does organizational things, tips and tricks, unboxing, reviews, hauls, cooking, cleaning, chatting. She goes live every Wednesday. She does everything, and she's so friendly. She's so sweet. You guys really need to go give her some love and support. She's been on YouTube for like over a year. She's had her channel. She's just an amazing woman, you guys, and you need to go check her out now. Click it, go. She's awesome. Next person is Keto Fat Girl No More. I came across her and I was doing a thing for Keto in the Chaos where she hit her 10,000 subscribers, and we sent in videos, and she was on the video that I was on. And so I went and I checked everybody out because I love having new keto weight loss friends in the community. I love it. It's something that keeps me on track, is going and seeing how everybody else is doing it. So that's how I found her, and she recently just got a new place and she's doing great, and she's lost a ton of weight on keto, and I highly suggest going to check out her channel because she's such a sweet woman. She really is. You guys are gonna like her. Next person is Kyle from 100 and Onward. He has a weight loss channel. Now he's not particularly keto, but he does do weight loss, and he did lose 100 pounds in the past, and now he's back to lose some more weight. So he's been there. He's new to YouTube, and I featured him before on my channel. I told you guys to go check him out, and I know some of you did, and I've gotten a lot of feedback on his channel that people really like him because he's really honest and he's down to earth. So if you haven't already checked out Kyle, go check him out. The next person is Chelsea. Now I can't remember Chelsea's YouTube name because she did change it, I think. But she just uploaded earlier and I watched her video. She's so honest. Okay, yeah, she just changed the name of her channel to her name, Chelsea Wright. Now, Chelsea did a very bold thing, and she actually showed all of her insecurities on camera, which is something amazing. I'm not ready to do that. She's very, very brave. She talks about her struggles with her relationship with food, and she just is using YouTube as a way, kind of like a diary, a way to look back and see where she is and where she's been. And she's doing great, you guys. Definitely give her a like. Go check her out. Subscribe to her channel. You will not regret it. She's very funny and she's so adorable. The next person is Keto Diamond. I know a lot of you actually came to my channel from Keto Diamond, but if you haven't been to Keto Diamond's channel yet, I suggest going. She uploads daily. She's a daily vlogger about keto, and she shares what she ate every day, and she does daily weigh-ins, and she has amazing, cute little grandkids, and her kids are funny. You guys need to check her out. She's a goofball, and she says that herself. She really is. I love her accent. I watch her videos every single day. So the next person that you need to check out is Enough is Enough, a weight loss journey by Albert Towns. Albert is amazing. His starting weight was 362 pounds. Now Albert has done a couple of different things. He's basically on like Enough is Enough. This is his journey, his 2019 journey to get fit. He lost, I think he was down to, what is his current weight? Albert, what are you at right now? It's amazing what he's lost, so much weight. I don't know what he's down to currently. So he is at 298 right now, and he's actually doing a cupcake and ice cream challenge. So every day he's actually enjoying these things, and he's still losing weight. If you want to know how he's doing that, then you need to go check out his channel, because I watch his videos every time he uploads, and I still don't know how he's doing it. Keto also was one of the first channels that I found, and that found me, and he does a lot of lives. It's easier for him to do live streams. So he is also a subscriber of Albert Towns, and he's also doing the challenge. And he updates quite often actually, and he works out, and he does like OMAD. And if you're interested in OMAD and you're interested in these challenges that Keto and Albert Towns are doing, then go check them out. Carnivore versus MS. Now he used to have a lot more videos, but something happened. YouTube deleted all his videos, so now he's working on getting all his videos back. But obviously, like the name says, he does carnivore and he has MS. So he is quite knowledgeable in a lot of nutrients and vitamins, and he's basically trying to cure his MS by his food intake. And he updates on how everything's going and how he's feeling. And like I said, he's very knowledgeable, and he's a really good guy, and you guys need to go check him out too. Another channel that you guys really need to check out is Stacy's channel. I can't say Sunshine. Sunshine Stace, her and her husband Will, they have a keto journey. They've lost, I think, over 80 pounds together collectively. They live in the same state as me, Michigan, so that's why you should go click on them. They do cooking, they do weekly updates. Go check them out. So Oh Crow Gal, she's another channel. She is keto, and she does amazing videos. Her video quality is really good. She's got really good editing skills. She does keto grocery hauls at Walmart, Trader Joe's, Aldi. She tries out keto foods. She's awesome. I've been watching her channel. Actually, I've kind of been binging it. I was watching it last night. I can't lie. I was literally binging it. Anyways, I really like her, and she's funny as well. So besides for those guys, some of the other YouTubers that I like to watch, I enjoy watching Catherine Michelle. I like to watch, oh, there's Tiffany and my kitty. I like to watch Jen Chapin. I like to watch Keto and the Chaos. I like to watch The Countess of Low Carb. I like to watch Amy's Life Journey and Life by Jen. And I like to also watch, who else do I like to watch? I don't know. I have, I'm subscribed to like 500 people. Lauren Brazy, and Simply Misty, and Erin Does the Keto, and Marriage and Motherhood, and Keto Ginger. I mean, and Kim's Commitment. I mean, I could keep naming all these people, but instead I'm going to name the rest of them down below. They're all channels that I think you guys should go check out, and I don't think that you guys will be disappointed. So until tonight when I upload what I ate in a day, see ya.
Hold me close till I get up.